Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sayyid Sufyan Tahir and today I'll be throwing some light on IELTS writing. Now, as you people might be knowing that there are two categories in IELTS. One is academic category, the other is general category. Now, talking about academic category, you know that speaking is similarly listening is similar, but we have slight differences between reading modules and this writing module. Now, the major thing here is that in academic, we have task 1 in which you are asked to describe, summarize or explain data in a graph, chart, table, map or process. Now, many of the students get confused that what type of question we will be getting. Now, you must have heard about report writing. So, the IELTS examiners basically demand from you that you write a report. Now, what is a report? Basically, it is a factual thing. We will be discussing report writing in detail in some other video. Currently, let's discuss that how to manage this task. Basically, you need to understand that if you are told to summarize, then you are not supposed to add some things which are away from the major portion of the text. So what you have to do, you have to summarize the large chunk and extract the main points. Similarly, if we talk about task 1 of general writing, now we have a letter there. So letter could be formal, it could be semi-formal, or it could be an informal letter. Now, formal letter, as the name suggests, it is from formality. We have to write appropriately according to the point and no distractors, something like nothing should be added from your own side, and it should be clear and concise. Similarly, semi-formal, it is written to colleagues, etc., and informal to friends. We'll be discussing that as well. Now, moving on, we have task 2. Now, essay writing. Now, task 2 is similar for both. We have essay writing in academic as well and in general as well, but there is also a slight difference. That is, essay of academic is either argumentative, it could be discussion based. You will be told to discuss both the points, so you have to do the discussion. Then your opinion could be asked, you should be able to write your opinion. Or problem solution essays, you must have heard that there's a problem, how to solve that problem. So coming to general essay, it is on everyday topics, very simple topics. Now, what are the band descriptors? They are very important. First of all, task achievement. Are you able to achieve the task? Are you relevant or not? Secondly, coherence and cohesion. It's a very, you can say, a major term in IELTS. Coherence and cohesion basically means whatever you are saying, that should be moving in a proper way, in a proper order. There shouldn't be anything that is against the task requirement. Similarly, lexical resources. This basically means range and accuracy of vocabulary. Your vocabulary should have different sentence types in order to gain good bands. You have to have compound sentences, complex compound sentences. We'll be discussing them in detail as well. So these are the things you need to understand. Now, a student, if he achieves low band, it is because he lists data mechanically. Whatever he sees, he just presents it, and he says that I have managed the task appropriately, but that's not the case. If you want to score high band, you need to summarize, compare and group data logically. If you see high and low graphs, so you have to tell the examiner that this is where it is getting the height and this is where it is going downwards. So these are the things. This is just a brief overview of your task 1 and task 2. Thank you very much.